What's up guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make your own Glitter copy project. This is like below mid 2023, but yeah, you can do higher, but this is what I'm going to teach you. So first, I'm going to join Discord, link in description. It's verification. I'm going to verify here, scroll down, find project making pack. You're going to download this, and then you're going to just accept it. I've already got it, so yeah. And then you're gonna wanna press Windows Alt and type in this. So Steam //nav/console. Enter, and then you should load up Steam, and you're gonna sign in with an account that has Glitter on it. But yeah, and then it should look something like this. And then you're gonna open the project making folder, asset prefix delete, and then scroll down to find asset.exe, and then you're gonna open it. Vex Coder gave me this, I think, yeah. Okay, and then you're gonna open asset opening stuff, and then all PC VR manifests, and you're gonna want to find the update I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be doing beach release, so right here. So you wanna copy this download _default. I'm gonna open Steam and paste it down here, and you're gonna wait for it to download. Okay, as you can see, it's now downloaded. So you're gonna copy this between the quotation marks. Like, you know, yeah. And then you're gonna open asset and press File, Open File, and then paste up here what you copied, and then enter, and then double click glittertech.exe, and then it's gonna process here. Now it's done, as you can see, finished processing assets. You want to go to this asset again, press export all files, and then just export the project where you want it. So I'm just going to export it here, and select folder, and now it's going to export. Okay, and now it's exported. As you can see, you can press OK, and you can close this. Then you're going to open Unity Hub and File Explorer, and then go to where you have, like, where you saved the project. So from it's in here, it'll be called Glittertech. You just want to open a Glittertech exported project. So you want to drag it out of Glittertech folder and delete the Glittertech folder. An exported project, you just want to rename this to whatever your project is. So mine is just beach release. I'm gonna open this on a file, text document. I'm gonna call it credits. So I don't got credits in here. Just call it. Okay. Now open Unity Hub, press add project from disk, and then go to wherever project, and then open it and press open. In Unity version you can use any, but I recommend a 2022 or 2021 version. So I'm gonna do this version and open it in Android, and open with, and then change version. You're gonna press continue. Okay, now I'm just gonna pull up this and press yes. And then here you just want to press ignore. Alright, now it's open. You're going to go to edit project settings and bring it up here. You're going to go to audio. You're going to make natural voices, make it 64, and make DSP buffer size to go to latency, and turn it on. This one. I'm going to go to player. And then you're gonna make version. Well, it doesn't really matter for easiness actually making a game. And then in window tab, you're gonna turn off static and dynamic batching, make high quality to normal quality, and turn off turn off auto graphics API for Windows. And show pop this and go to Android tab right here. Select OpenGL ES2 deprecated and get rid of it. So now it should only be OpenGL-ES3. And now on it, turn off static and dynamic batching. Low quality, make it normal quality. There. And now, minimum API level, make it API level 32. If it doesn't say API level 32 anywhere, it should say Android and a number in brackets. It should say the API level. So select that. And same for target API level, to make it 32. Scripting backend, make it IL2CPP. And then target architectures, turn on ARM64. And then turn Chrome OS input emulation. And then enable news incremental GC, and then press apply, and then Unity will restart. Press ignore. Okay, now you're here. Let's all that done. Just gonna sort out these. Console clear. Now you're gonna see those errors. So you're gonna go to package manager, or if it's not there, actually first go to file, build settings. In Android, make news player assets and run device, make it all compatible devices. And go to window, package manager, and then go to game up here and turn the scale all the way down. It's better. And scene this camera, turn up FOV all the way. In package manager, window, package manager should bring up this. It's Unity registry. And then find animation rigging, select it, press install. It's going to be importing. And we're going to find Cinemachine right here, press install. And once that's done, you're going to scroll down, find input system right here, press install. Okay, and now that's done, you're going to scroll down and find mathematics, make sure that's installed. If it's not installed it. And then you're going to find recorder right here, install. Okay, and then you're going to scroll down, find Text Mesh Pro, and install. And then you're going to scroll down, find XR Interaction Toolkit, press install. Alright, and now that's imported. You're going to see errors are going down. And now you're going to find XR Plugin Management, press install. Alright, once that's imported, I'm going to go to Versus Unity Registry, make it in project. I'm going to see all of these. Now select XR Interaction Toolkit, drop down samples, and then start assets, import. Alright, now that's done, you're going to go to packages and project, go to my assets. If you don't see anything here, go to your browser, and then you tab, search up Unity as open Unity Asset Store. Up here, search for Oculus integration. You might need to sign into your Unity account, and you're gonna find search up in Oculus integration, and scroll down, find Oculus integration deprecated. Select that. It's gonna come up here, and I'm gonna press add to my assets. And then again up here, search for Steam VR. And find Steam VR plugin. Select it. And then press add to my assets. And go back to Unity. And then this button down here, refresh. And then it should come with Oculus integration and Steam VR plugin. So first, Oculus integration, you're gonna press import. Now it should come with this after it loads for a bit. You're gonna press all. Then drop down audio manager, interaction, all of this, and find sample framework. You're gonna uncheck sample framework and press import. Okay, now it's imported. You're gonna select Steam VR plugin and press import. And press all and then import. Alright, so now it's done. You're gonna console clear. I'm gonna see you still have 105 errors. So I'm gonna try to fix it. So first, you're gonna open plugin installer. Now go to File Explorer and go to the folder that you downloaded and extracted. I'm gonna find packages right here. You see bakery. you're gonna drag that into Unity. Alright, now I'm gonna press all. Uncheck this top one. Uncheck docs and examples and press import. Okay, and now once that's imported, you're gonna find Mesh Baker. You're gonna import that, drag it into Unity. And you're gonna press all, uncheck docs, examples, and Oculus, and press import. Okay, and now once that's imported, you're gonna find Proton Fix V2. You're gonna drag it into Unity. You're gonna press all and then import. Okay, now it's imported. I'm gonna find Unity SDK. Gonna import that, or if you want an updated version, yeah, and then you can just find, search up Unity prefab SDK in your browser. Select this link, and then find the latest updated version. You don't have to download that, you can just find Unity SDK right here, and you can just import that. 441 kilobytes. And then okay, it doesn't matter, just need this one, import it. It's the same. Sometimes it updates it, I don't know. Press it all and then import. And then boom. Now console clear. Still gonna have this. But it's time. Go to package manager. In project. And then Unity registry. Search up Unity UI. Make sure it's imported. Whatever. And you want to select Autodesk right here, Cinema Machine, Oculus Platform, Oculus VR, all of these Photon and Prefab ones, and then find Steam VR, and all the Unity dots and WebSocket and Valve. Delete them. And then it's gonna go. And now here, our console, you're gonna see one error, or maybe you don't. But I'm just gonna show you how to fix this. So line 156. See override right here. Just double click it and then delete the word override. Save and then close. Now we're gonna see all of these errors. Vectorize solve root job. Gonna go to this folder, scripts, Vectorize solve root job. Control A, Control C, and this one, Control A, Control V, save, close that up. Prefab authenticator, you can just use the public authenticator, Control A, Control C, Control A, Control V. This already has my Photon and Prefab set up. If you want to just use them for testing project, you can. And then blink it, just double click this there, scroll down, and just delete this. Yeah. Save. And just wait a bit. Alright, so now it's gonna pop up for this. I'm gonna press send. And wait a second. Press restart. Press delete. Oh, delete your plugin, whatever. And wait a second. It does take a while to load all of these stuff. Alright, you should have got one more pop-up that says, yeah, you just press OK, and then if it says, if you want to save a scene, just press don't save, and then Unity will restart. I forgot to show that. Then once Unity restarts, you can press do not show again on here and press across, and the Steamdb just want to close out that, then clear, and as you can see you got no errors. But now it's still not working yet. Then go to project settings, go to TextMesh Pro right here, and press import. Let us import, and press import on this one as well. So compile. Okay, and then go to Excel plugin management right here. On the Android, you want to select Oculus. It's gonna compile. Let's get this part. Okay, once it's done, you can just close this. Or if you want, you can just press clear or ignores. Close that. And it goes to window right here. Select Open VR Loader and Open XR. Let it compile. Okay, now it's done. You can press enable here. And then go to Excel plugin management right here. Go to Oculus. You see there's a single pass, make it multi-pass. And Android tab, make it multi-view to multi-pass. Turn on overhead mode and press Pro down here. And then open XR. And the window tab, single pass, make it multi-pass, and plus Valve Index, Oculus Touch, and MeshQuest Touch Pro. And Android, make it multi-pass, plus Oculus Touch and MeshQuest Touch Pro. And then you can go to Oculus here. You can go to the window tab, and go to where it says recommended items. You press apply all. Now once it's done, go to the Android tab here. Press apply all. Alright, now we're going to go back to Excel plugin management, Windows, select Open XR, because it will uncheck for some reason. Alright, then make sure this is still checked, should be, and go back to player, make sure this is turned off, and open GLES3 and that. And audio, go make sure these two are Oculus Spatializer, this is 64 and there's good latency, and make sure this is turned on right here. And then massive for project settings and like the main stuff. And now we're just gonna fix scripts and some other stuff. So now you're gonna open scenes folder, or just search up the assets. I gotta restart. Press don't save. It's still save, it's just weird if you press save, it will be close. Let me reopen it. Alright, so now once it's reopened, should be able to search now. Search up Gorilla tag and then find the scene. It's called Gorilla tag something. And just double click it to open. Now it's gonna load for a little bit. Oh, that was loading. Alright, so now I'm in the scene. As you can see, it looks a little bit weird. I'm gonna teach you how to fix it a little bit. So first, I'm gonna open Texture 2D folder. Select one, press Ctrl A. Let it load. Okay, and then you're gonna make compression from high quality. And make it none, and press apply. Alright, once you've done that, you can so if you see this error, go to a line that says, so for me it's line 148. Just double click the error, go to the script, Control G. Tap the line, so 148 for me. Take it from elf. No, elf? What? There you go. From if to else. Oh my day. Alright, so once the error fixed, you can clear. And continue errors. Alright, so now I'm gonna teach you how to fix the reflections. Because you don't want everything that needs to be shiny. Actually, no. Alright, to fix some materials. Oh my days. Bro! Alright, so you're gonna go to the folder, open shaders, find go to daylight lab and wind shader and water shader. For some updates, so I have water. Just drag them into a project. First on the wind tunnel, drag wind tunnel into the shader and material. Okay, and now you're gonna go to the water and beach. If you have beach, select it and drag the new water shade, a fixed one, onto that. If you have caves revamp, fix the water in here. And then to make it daytime, you can select the floor, shader, select material, like this. And now you're gonna press Control A. Let it load for a second. Let's go to the top. Let all of these load quickly. Give it a second. Okay, so what you want to do is unselect all of the solid color materials and the ones that are like invisible in some pieces. You know what I mean? And also unselect all the skyboxes by holding down Control and then selecting material. You want to unselect. So all of these aren't loading. It's really annoying. Oh, they all loaded. So once they loaded, just hold down Control and unselect the solid color ones and the ones that are like invisible in some bits. So this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. This one, this one, this one. No. This one. This one, and also all the crystals. These, that, and also all the fur. These. This one. This one. This one. This one, this one, and also the faces and the just all the Gordo textures. And all these solid colours. So all of these. Unselect infected and it. And then these. Unselect light fur. Select this, unselect mirror. Mirror center. Skybox. Petal. Post-war, not utopian. Plastic key. Press, purple plastic, rain 2, rain cloud, all of these. Also shiny hatless, green, red, green, sparkler, these 3, utopian, underwater, trees up, the waters, that's no window. And then shade up here, do Gorilla night lerp unlit. It's gonna look like this, but for light map 1, put it as 3 PM, light map 2, also 3 PM. And as you can see, it's now fixed. Alright. So now you can just save. Alright, so now you're gonna select all your shaders, drag them into the shader folder right here. No. Okay. No, in the SS, you want to search up Steam Manager. Right, this one. And then wherever it says application.quit, you just delete that line. So this line and this line. Make sure it doesn't say it anywhere else. Save and then close. Fix quit and join. File. Alright, and now you're gonna search up Gorilla Computer. Make sure it's not the right one. Go to computer.cs, and then press Ctrl F, and then search up process namespace. So right here, hold down Control and select it. Alright, and bring it here, and now go to the folder. Save this one. Open scripts. Hold on. Open scripts. Find Gorilla Computer right here. Copy this case center up to break. Go to Gorilla Computer. Case center up to break right here. Paste it in. And now Gorilla Computer. Case center up to break. Copy it. Scroll down. Process room state. Case center up to break. Paste it in. Save. And then should not get any errors. That will fix private code and name change. That's pretty essential. Boom, errors. And now you're gonna search up Gorilla Game Manager. This is for server-side cosmetics. So now go to the folder, server-side cosmetics, go to Game Manager stuff. Or just be called Gorilla Game Manager. So I changed the name before I made a folder for you. Copy this class VRX data up to this. Yeah. Just paste it anywhere. So for me, just put it there. And then this product directory you don't need. Scroll down, player cosmetics lookup, make int, make it string for both, and then for here as well. And then make sure it's like that. And now, void update, just copy it. Copy that. And just replace this void update to here. The one you copied, paste it in. Go back here. Copy attempt to get new player cosmetic. Do that. Go down. Find attempt to get new player cosmetic. Replace it with a new version. Now find update player cosmetic on our PC. Make sure it's like this. If it is, save. If it's not, then just leave it. Now gonna make errors like this. That's fine. Go to Game Manager line 422. You see where it says object, make it say game object. Double click game object, copy it. Object right here. Put it as game object, object right here. Put it as game object. Object right here. Put it as game object. Save. Boom. Go to Game Manager again, line 437. Right here. Make from actor number. You see actor number? Type user ID exactly like that. Double click here. Copy it. Save. Now get rid of that error. Now there's no more go to Game Manager, so you can close that. Go to Hunt Manager, line 311. And replace actor number with user ID like that. So save, close that. Go to Hunt Manager, line 382. Okay, line 382. Replace actor number here with user ID. Save, close out that. Go to Tag Manager, line 387. 387. Oh. Press X number with user ID. Save. Go to Tag Manager again, line 514. Replace X number with user ID. Save. Boom. Line 721. VR rig. Replace X number with user ID. So, VR rig again. Line 1365. Replace X number with user ID. Save, close, and there should be no more errors. And now I'm gonna search up Gorilla Tag Manager. Open Gorilla Tag Manager. Scroll down till you find. Wait, no, not Gorilla Tag Manager. What? Gorilla Tagger. Not Gorilla Tag Manager. Open that script. Delete using valve.vr if it's there. Might not be there depending on which update. Void find data update. Now here before if open vr.overlay, put / and then like the star. And after here before if loaded device name equals Oculus, put the star and then /. Scroll down. And then you're gonna find here. If XR subsystem is active, put / in the star, and before else if, put star and then /, and here, put / and star. Go down to here, put star and then /, and that should fix Gorilla Tagger and so now you close that script. Console clear. Should have no errors. Now search up VR rig. Make sure there's no using valve.vr. If there is, delete it and you'll get errors, and then just delete the lines that give you errors. Okay. And now it'll be here. It's gonna be good. So yeah, all the scripts are fixed, and now we've got to fix missing scripts, rig, and 7. Okay, to fix rig, you can actually, we'll do rig first. Drop down player VR controller, go to player and turn parent. Select player VR controller, this was a script, press this. Search up XR rig. If nothing shows up, press this little symbol here, and it should show up XR rig. Drag and go to player into here, camera, make it main camera, tracking origin mode, make it floor. Interaction manager, do the same thing, but instead of XR rig, do XR interaction manager script. Like this. Now go to player. It's missing script. Make it locomotion system. Press this. Motion system. XR origin. Make it player VR controller. Now you can just go down like this. Now main camera. This is a script. Set this. Okay. Track pose driver. Like so. The second one. And left hand controller and right hand controller. This top one. Make it XR controller. Set this. Make it XR controller. The top one. The second script. Make it XR direct interactor. Set this. XR direct interactor. Put in XR interaction manager. Make it XR interaction manager. This next one, look at XR interactor line visual. Set this top one. And then select left hand controller. On XR controller, make controller node from right hand to left hand. And then in the assets, go to the samples folder. XR interaction toolkit. And then there's this and presets. For all of these, just press on each one and add it. Press the add to right. So just like this. For all of these. back to assets, save, by pressing Control S. Now drop down global, drop down Halloween ghost, floating ghost skeleton, like floating chase skeleton. This first one, search up photon view, press Control A, Control C because you'll need to copy photon view. Now add a photon view, make it from manual to auto find all and unreliable and change to reliable data compress. The second one, paste in photon view and add a photon transform view, like so. Now drop down hit targets, select all of these, remove this missing script, add component, paste in photon view and add a photon view. And now drop down third person camera, select shoulder camera, turn it off, remove the missing script, down shoulder camera, this one, remove the missing script, drop down this, CM, just remove these missing scripts. And now go to Photon Manager, remove these top two missing scripts and this bottom missing script, make it Photon Stats GUI. This one. Now open this VR. This one. Add a VR manager, like so. Turn on Quest 3. And now that's it for that. Boom. And now any assets, save first. And any assets, search up Gorilla Player scoreboard line, like so. Scroll down, find where it says Photon Network Controller instance of get component recorder. After instance dot, put Photon like that, and then voice with capital V, and object with capital O, and prefab with capital P, and then dot. Save, close, and you should get errors. So, and then drop down local VR rig, and then you can delete actual Gorilla if you want. And go to drop down Photon Manager, Gorilla Computer, make sure offline VR rig name tag is assigned. And then local Gorilla Player, drop down all of these. This script, add a bone renderer like so. And this next one, add a rig builder, like so. Rig builder, and boom. So like this. Now go to VR constraints, add a rig, select this little thing. Let's go down, add rig, like so. Drop down VR constraints, head constraint, make this multi-parent, process multi-parent constraint, make maintain offset to position and check all of these 6 boxes. Source object, check and head constraint, and then for constrained object, drop down reg and then body, and put it as head. Drop down left arm and left arm OK, and right arm OK. Select left arm OK and right arm OK. This one, add a 2-bone OK constraint. Maintain target offset, make it position and rotation, and drag these 3 sliders all the way up. Left arm OK, drag this target rest into target. Drop down shoulder L, upper arm L, forearm L. Drag in hand L into tip, forearm L into mid, upper arm L into root. Drop down shoulder R, upper arm R, and forearm R. Select right arm OK, drag this target rest into target. And hand R into tip, forearm R into mid, and upper arm R into root. And that's it for rig. And select local Gorilla Player. Rig builder, for this rig, select it, make it VR constraint. And that's it for the scene. And now you want to wait, there's one more thing, drop down level, and light. Press on light, right click and right. Do light and reflection probe. For box size, make it 10,000. Copy it and put it for all of these three. And then this background, make this color to full black. And for bake, press this drop down arrow and then press bake all reflection probes. This will take a minute. So okay, now it's done. Boom level. You can go to the city, go to the top, and as you can see, gold mask is now shiny. If it's not, select the gold mask. Shiny headers, make the shader as standard. Metallic and smoothness all the way up. Reflections and specular highlights on. And then okay, and now in assets, search up Gorilla prefabs. Open this folder, go to battle manager. This is the script. Add a photon view. Control A, Control C to copy photon view. Add a photon view. Manual to also find all, unreliable to reliable just compress. Same thing for go to hunt manager. Photon view. Auto find all, reliable just compressed. For Gorilla player networks. This three dots up here in hierarchy. Press collapse all, and this will fix all of that. This was a script. Add a bone renderer. Like so. Press OK. And this one, add a rig builder. Like so. This one, paste in photon view, add a photon view, auto find all, and reliable data compressed. This one, paste in photon view, add a photon voice view. Turn on news primary recorder. On this one, photon view, add a photon view, just make it auto find all, keep it like that. And now search up speaker head collider. Make a script speaker, like so. Go to play network, speaker, make it a speaker head collider. Now VR constraints. So it's the same thing as before. Add a rig. Head constraint, add a multi-parent constraints. Make this position and check these 6 boxes. Source objects, make it head constraint. Constrained objects, drop down rig, body, head, drop down left arm OK, right arm OK, so it's left arm OK and right arm OK. Make this a 2-bone OK constraint. Like so. Make from none to position rotation, drag the sliders all the way up. Left arm OK, make this target rest as a target. Drop down shoulder L, upper arm L as forearm L. Hand L as dip, forearm L as mid. Upper arm L as root. Drop down shoulder R, upper arm R, and forearm R. Right arm OK, dragging target resting target. And as tip, forearm R as mid, and upper arm R as root. Down. Play networks. Rig builder, make this rig, VR constraints. And make that speaker to play. Then go to tag manager. This prefab. This one's scripts, just photon view. Auto find all, reliable data compressed. Photon voice prefab. Make it photon voice network. And the second one, make it add a recorder. Boom. Turn on transmit enabled and to text, drag in recorder into primary recorder and the photon voice network. And save. Go back to scenes. Now with photon voice prefab, drag it out into the scene, the hierarchy, drag it to the top. Drag it above table. Go to photon manager. Drop down photon network controller, drag photon voice prefab into photon voice object prefab here. Now that's most of the stuff done. And now just gotta search up world shareable cosmetic. That's this. If you have more, just select all of them, remove these from the scripts. of all of them. Add a photon view, make it reliable data compress. Add a photon transform view, and a photon transform view classic. Turn on synchronous position and rotation. And boom. Don't have rotor because cosmetic you don't do. In high key, search up rope swing. Select all of them. Remove this from the script. Add a component, make it a photon view. Pick up there. Save. And a high key, search up dungeon door underscore prefab. This one. It's a script, make it a photon view. Auto find all, reliable data compress. And then search up Monkey. Search Monkey prefab 1. Stop searching. Look at X. Monkey AI. Yeah, it's a script. Make it a photon view. Auto find all. Reliable data compressed. Remove that photon view. Monkey prefab 1. Go down all of these. It's a script. Make it a photon view. Auto find all. Reliable data compressed. Add a photon transform view. Keep it like that. Remove that photon view at the bottom. Okay, yeah, this one. Make this a photon view. Auto find all and reliable data compress. Remove this bottom one. Apply prefab 2. Photon view here. Auto find all, reliable data compress. This one, photon transform view. And remove this bottom photon view. And now, project is done. I'm going to teach you some easier stuff to do. Go to the folder, open where it says WASD stuff, drag in WASD player and PC clicks into the assets. Okay, and now create an empty object, call it WASD, drag in WASD player, go to player, make it go to player, camera transform, search up main camera, make it main camera, move speed 7, rotation speed 0.05, and drag in PC clicks, camera, make it main camera. This makes testing the project a lot easier. And then in a hierarchy, search up speaker head collider. If it has a bit of script, make it speaker. Add it. And that's pretty much it. And now free test to play. It should be good to go. As you can see, the audio is good. Cosmetic should work. You press them like so. Okay, here. Yeah, we like playing Unity, but in VR they're fine. As you can see, still good. Now what I'm gonna just select my main hat. Because I like to just keep that. I don't know why. This method is a lot better than my last method, as your audio is better and just less bugs. So then, if you want to change the message of the day, I'll show you how to do that. But if you press the button, it will press for you because of a PC click script. But you gotta click it right. Like, as you can see, not all buttons you can press. It's kind of weird. Enter you can't press. But if you join a lobby, codes work, voice chat works. And then you should be able to mute music. If you press it. So see, if I want to disable the rain, I'll show you how to do that. So see if I go into city. City's fine. Cosmetics should work. Oh, I do work. Mirror. I'll show you how to make mirror a bit better. Because it's a bit poor. And mountains. Snowballs work. Because in my last method, snowballs don't work. In this method, it does. So see, mountains works. I can't really show you snowballs right now. Unless I go into VR. Yeah. Which I could do. Sliding works, as you can see. Oh yeah. I'd rather not go to the PC because I can't be bothered. I mean, not good. Because I can't be bothered. Clouds work. Oh yeah. Pretty much everything works. You can put in your own information on prefab in a pleasurable authenticator if you want your own servers. But yeah. Now I'm going to show you how to fix the message property. So turn on gizmos, top right, set the text, reading, scroll down, remove this component. And here you can just type in whatever you want. So I'm just going to do project and Discord. If you want, you can put credits somewhere, hide it somewhere. So yeah, you know, if you made a project, people use it, you can just check there. For rain, you just search up for rain. You know, you don't go down level, drop down forest objects, and then weather day night, rain, just disable that. I'm gonna go show you that each works as well. Let me just check the box colliders are messed up. Yep. Building also works, by the way. I'm not going to show you that because it takes way too long. This method is quicker than that last one, because last one just done a little bit of stuff. Private codes do it. I could show you it. No, I will show you it because you wouldn't know. But no, pressing the wrong button, I was wondering what I was doing. Press enter. Name changing works, and it does it if you want. So see, private code works. Basement? I'm not actually sure. I haven't found a method to fix basement yet. That might fix it. What I showed you, if I'm uncladding with photon views and stuff. But I highly doubt it. Yeah, they don't really work. I'll try to find a method to fix it. But until then, I don't know how. But yeah, dungeon door works, as you can see. I'm going to show you beach. As you can see, the rain fixed. I'll show you how to disable a rain in city as well. I'm going to show you beach as well. So you see, the water works. Beach should work, zip lines work, bridge work, whatever. There is an underwater effect fix, but I don't have it. Even if I did have it, I wouldn't be able to leak it, because it's private. I don't have it right now, so... And I wouldn't even leak it anyway, if I did have it. But now I'm going to show you how to fix the rain in the city. Draw down cosmetics, room, anchor. Drop down. I'm not sure, I haven't done it before. Oh yeah, rain right here. Let's disable rain. And if you press play, should be working. I'll try to fix that because I get of course, the warnings. But yeah, rain in cities fix. No mind, okay, I'll show you fix it. Go down city, select to rain, enable it. Just remove the particle system, or and duplicate rain. Put it inside of rain. Put everything inside of rain in the latest version. And go to this normal rain. Delete the particle system. Turn off rain. Just in case people want rain in that city. Oh, good a second. Around 511. This is easy. 511. Just delete this. Here. Save. I regret attacker spamming or just reference. Yeah. Now if I save, everything should be good now. And then after this, I'm going to show you how to share your project to other people, because I haven't done it in the last tutorials. It's going to say that spamming has fixed. Press clear, no error should come through, which is a good thing for a working project. Here sounds do work, just because of the script disconnect. Oh yeah, the rain sound hasn't fixed. I'll show you. City, I use audio sources, just turn off for audio source and smooth loop. That should fix it. If not, then just keep. Okay, so city. Okay, yes. Alright. That's it for making a project. Now I'm gonna share it to other people. So first, add credits to a message over there if you want. And that's optional. You don't have to, but I like to do it. And now, I'm gonna close the project. Now, okay, so. And then I'm gonna go to the project you have saved. When it's in here. When it's speech release. Create a text file, make it credits if you want the credits in there. Put credits in there. And then we're gonna download WinRAR. Just find WinRAR, search WinRAR in your browser. Download here. Just download the English version and just run the setup. Easy, free. Speech release, right click on it, WinRAR, add to archive, press OK, and it'll take a minute. Not that big. Alright, now that's done, you can just open your browser. You can upload the file to like Mediafire, Google Drive, something like that. Add file, show files, and just select a WinRAR file. Upload that, press upload, and once it finishes upload, just copy the link and share it. So yeah, that's literally it to make a copy project. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video.